अच्छा, कभी कभी क्या होता है ना, a person is looking दूर से बहुत अच्छा, amazing, that
हम्म।
person is looking, मेकअप वो दूर से बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, आप उसके पास जाओगे ना, दैट पर्सन विल लुक हॉरिबल यार, हॉरिबल लगता है वो इंसान। आपको लगता है भाई इसकी स्किन कहाँ पे है, वेयर इज दिस पर्सन स्किन, क्योंकि मेरे जैसा बंदा लगाएगा ना आशीष, तो ऐसा ही होगा जैसा मैं जैसा मैं बोल रही हूँ,
No,
राइट?
उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आपको किसी से प्यार नहीं है, or you're not gonna love someone, or you're just detaching from the world.
या
Detachment
वर्ल्ड,
means I
लविंग,
am so much into this world and I'm enjoying each and everything what God has given me.
या
Detachment
अवेलेबल
में
नहीं
ना
हुआ आपके लिए तो आपको फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, राइट?
नहीं
राइट,
पड़ेगा, आपको फर्क
यू
ही
विल
नहीं
नॉट
पड़,
गो
आपको
एंड
फर्क।
फाइट विद दैट। Hello, everyone. Welcome back to I Have Got a Vibe, a show which proudly celebrates people who live with confidence and courage. Today's guest is a beautiful mix of outer glam and inner glow. She's a makeup artist who believes beauty begins within. Her philosophy centers around detachment, which is loving without expectations and learning to feel fabulous in your own skin. She reminds people that makeup is not a mask. Very important, it's a form of art, a celebration, a choice. So please welcome the soulful and stunning Nikita Singh. How
Thank you
are you?
so much, Sonakshi. I'm very good and I'm so thrilled, and I'm just, kind of nervous and
No,
excited
you
both
don't have to be
for this
nervous at
podcast.
all. No, no, don't be nervous at all, because I think people like you truly need to be celebrated. This is a wonderful chat show where, we are just going to express whatever goes on in our heart. What are the unconventional routes you've taken? So feel free to
Of course,
express
of
yourself
course.
just how you express yourself on the makeup part, or how you really express yourself spiritually. Just feel free to express yourself. And
Sure, sure. I
yeah,
will. I'll try my best
no, no, it's
to
fine,
convey
it's
my
fine.
message.
And Nikita, I'll tell you what. मेरे को ऐसा लगता है, I personally feel like अनकन्वेंशनल जो लोग, whoever takes a very unconventional route, जो लोग unconventional routes लेते हैं अपने लाइफ में, those people are already very creative, and creative people, they don't really mind कि वो गलत हो गए या सही हो गए, they are just
सही हो गए. I
creative,
agree. I
right?
agree. I agree with
So
you. Of course.
nothing can go wrong. Nothing can go
Of
wrong on
course.
the show. आप बहुत amazing रहोगे. I know you're going to just chill and relax, and you're going to speak your heart out. And I and this beautiful audience out here would love to listen to you.
I love my audience
Yes,
already.
of course. So tell us, Nikita, आप थोड़ा बताओ. Tell us about how did this makeup really become your passion and your profession? क्या था ऐसा interesting episode आपकी life में that you started feeling that, I want to take this makeup line professionally. Otherwise, हम लोग सब अपने घर पे थोड़ा थोड़ा beauty tips तो करते ही हैं, but to take it professionally, you need a level of confidence and belief in yourself. So कैसा था वो?
Honestly, when I started, I have really no idea that it's going to be a profession.
Okay.
Right? I thought, I love colors. I
Okay.
love textures.
I
So I
see
feel like,
that you're all colorful and vibing today.
yeah, exactly.
Nice.
So I feel like, that color. So when I start doing makeup on women's, right? So
Hmm.
they start smiling, they start believing, they're having this confidence in this, in themselves. So
Yeah.
I feel like, this is something, I'm giving something, a kind of a motivation or a confidence to someone.
Yeah.
Though makeup is just a spotlight, not a show. Let me tell you
Correct.
that first,
Yeah.
right?
That's
So, but
wonderful.
yeah. So, but I still, I feel like this is my calling. Like, if I can give someone a happiness by giving them a beautiful face with with my kind of a colors, with my kind of a
Correct.
makeup, someone
Hmm.
is, feeling happy. So I think there I started. This is like my, let's go with the profession now. And then in
Correct.
COVID, I think it's that everybody's, they're all stuck. They don't know what to do. So
Right.
there, I think it's a high time for me to start, by this makeup classes or online
You
classes.
did.
where everybody's loving it, you know?
Oh, lovely. I have to join your class as well. Honestly, जब makeup की
Gotcha.
बात आती है ना, I'm an amateur. I really struggle with making hairstyles, and I really struggle with, doing eye makeup, especially. I'm very fond of that glittery eye makeup. I really have to learn it from your class someday. And
Oh, of course.
my
Any
wonderful
day, any
viewers
day.
out here, I'm going to leave, all the links in the description for any connections that you want to have with a wonderful lady out here. Please
Definitely.
feel free to join her and enjoy this. I think, but Nikita, there's one thing that I really want to, I think I sort of nowadays also feel worried about, now that I'm a mom myself. I feel like, and I see a lot of teens and choti choti bacche hain, girls, especially girls. They have started feeling that they are not enough. They are not enough without makeup. तो ऐसे लोगों को आप क्या बोलना चाहोगे? Because makeup should add up to your confidence, but then makeup should not
Exactly. That's
really become um, like a mask कि उसके बगैर आप आपकी existence नहीं बन जाना चाहिए, if I may say, right? Makeup should not become their
of
existence.
course, of
Just
course, of
be,
course. I totally agree with you.
enhancing what you
I
are
think
already.
of course. I think today's generation, they're very smart, first of all, right? They're
Yeah,
doing whatever they have to do. But
correct.
I think makeup again is an accessory.
Mm-hmm.
They are not going to depict your confidence, right?
Mm-hmm.
What is more important than makeup is
Mm-hmm.
you.
Yeah,
Where are you doing this makeup?
yeah,
You're actually doing this makeup. You're actually enhancing your eyes, your lips, which is already beautiful.
yeah,
So I think to everyone who thinks they're not enough, they're more than enough.
yeah.
Right. So you don't
Right.
makeup is not just, it's not gonna give you confidence or give you something which you don't have already. It
Yeah.
just is an accessory, it is
It's
just
an
gonna make
accessory.
you
Correct. Correct.
it's just an accessory, right?
Which
It's
you
just
can
gonna
go
give you
with
some
or
kind of
without. Right?
exactly. So makeup is something, it's totally choice. It's something which makes you look brighter, smiler, but everything is here. It's
Yeah.
if you're deep down, you're beautiful, you'll always stay beautiful. So I think nobody makeup should not be a part, of your daily life. And if you some people are, some people think, कि अगर हम आज makeup नहीं करेंगे ना, maybe, people are gonna judge us
We are
or
going to
they're
be
gonna look at
bothered.
our pigmentation or
Yeah.
maybe anything, तो कुछ ना कुछ लोगों को लगता है, by
हाँ,
age they feel like, that things are not like people are going to judge us. So I
correct.
think for that, आप अपने जब तक आप अपने आप
Need
को
to
प्यार
fix the
नहीं
camera.
करोगे
Yeah.
ना,
You're good. The camera orientation is perfect. Don't move it.
okay. I mean, no, actually, this somebody's calling me, so I just cut the
Oh,
call.
so at the same time,
I'm so
someone
sorry.
called me as well. So I had to take a quick look and then tell them to stop.
So that's what I'm saying. Ki makeup is you don't need to, portray yourself like makeup is everything. It's your skin.
I see. In
You
fact,
need to make you are beautiful.
correct. Nikita, I'm seeing you. You've come all bare. I think you've just done bare skin,
No,
like basic skin
that's
essentials,
it.
and look at you. But
That's it. That's it.
Nikita, I also feel like कि in the end, it is also about like doing proper skin care, and I think properly moisturizing your skin and taking regular care of
That's
yourself, and
that's
तब वो makeup भी शायद आपको
that's the
enhance
key.
करेगा, है ना? Otherwise,
बिल्कुल,
otherwise you'll
बिल्कुल,
have to like
बिल्कुल.
put coats and coats of makeup on your skin अगर आप normal good skincare नहीं करते, right?
Nothing. I think if you have a clogged skin, if you like,
Yeah,
I have a textured skin, so it doesn't mean that I have to put a lot of makeup. So because I'm in front
correct.
of camera, so I'm very conscious. I have to put less. I think less is always beautiful,
It's
Sonakshi.
always
So
beautiful. Agreed.
it is. When I think layering up a lot of makeups. I don't feel you need to layer anything. Whether you're off skin, in skin, I think both are beautiful. So
Yeah,
less is always beautiful. I think your bare skin they needs to breathe. Like
yeah,
you need to breathe, your
yeah.
heart need to breathe, just
Correct,
like your
correct,
skin.
correct.
So
Very,
of
very
course,
true.
you're right there. Your skin care is important. Your whatever your vitamins are important. By the age, women
Correct.
lose their density. The collagen, a lot of
Yeah.
things. After being mothers, so you
Yeah.
really need you start taking your vitamins or things like that. Other than
Even
that, you
I've,
don't need.
Nikita, even I've, that brings me, even I've started, I've never had like experienced dry skin in my life. Now that I'm a new
Okay.
mom, my son is like about he's about 18 months old now. So usko na
We have
like
a
after having my baby, I've just realized that I have started to experience a bit of dryness in my skin. And I feel like, like with your age, your skin care, which is the main focus, that also has to kind of enhance or it has to customize.
Of
Yeah?
course it is. It has to, of course. Being a young girl or then you in a college और हमारा सब
Yeah.
कुछ अलग होता है.
बिल्कुल,
we're carefree. हम लोग
बिल्कुल.
शायद ना तब sunscreens and everything इतना नहीं लगाते थे, and
Correct, correct.
we're not bothered about it. We have to
Yeah.
be this cream and this night routine, this retinol.
Hmm.
After a certain age, we
Yeah.
start using a lot of things. Not because we wanted to prove ourselves that we are हम लोग कुछ दिखाना है. It's
Correct.
sometimes your
It's for
skin needs
us. It's
something.
for us.
Exactly.
And then also
Exactly.
ना क्योंकि आप अपने आप को प्यार करते हो, you love yourself,
Th-
correct? So
That's
for
what
you, for that
yeah, I
love,
was
you
about
need
to say
to,
that.
yeah,
Yes,
you have
of course. आपको अगर अपनी केयर करनी है ना, if you start caring yourself, तो आपको हर एक चीज की केयर करनी है. And
correct,
you don't need to
correct.
be judgment on that कि मुझे ये क्रीम लगा रही हो तो people will judge. You darling, you do whatever in this life, people will judge you any which way.
No,
Whether you
I love it.
whether you whether you do makeup, whether you don't do
Whether
makeup,
you
whether
do,
you
whether you
have a
don't.
night. So it's all depends on you how you want your life.
I agree.
When you
I do.
want to, if you want to do a lot of makeup, do
Huh.
it. If that makes you happy, do it.
Yeah,
It doesn't
correct.
matter.
Yeah. No, but आपका जो the online classes that you conduct, right? Or like whatever courses
Yeah,
you take. So you also teach them about skincare regimes, or is it specifically
of
to make?
course.
Is it specific about
The
makeup?
starting of I think my makeup class start with the skincare. People,
Hmm.
everybody is very keen, which makeup brand, which this, which should foundation. Stop
Yeah.
there.
Hmm.
अगर आपके पास 500 का 500 वाला मेकअप भी है, वो
Correct.
फाउंडेशन भी है ना, you can do
जी.
wonders with that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right?
Mhm.
Not see, if it's not important that you need to buy 8,000 wala foundation, 5,000 wala foundation or whatever. It's your skin. It needs to breathe. It has
Right.
to be beautiful inside. Then you
Yeah.
will make it. आप उसको तभी अच्छा करोगे ना.
Right. Correct.
Right? It is अगर वो already इतना खराब हो रखा है, आप उस पे और layers लगाकर, it will not look good. So मेरा
Yeah.
makeup class का पहला फंडा ये होता है, you have to look. आपको skin को पहले अच्छा moisturizer, buy
Go
good
ahead and
moisturizer
first
for your
fix your skin. Yeah.
Yes, of course. Instead of buying foundations, better go with the moisturizers or the face wash or whatsoever suits your skin, right?
Correct.
And then go with the next step of the foundations and rest of the things, all the concealers and rest, the makeup is
Right.
like
Right.
something endless,
Yeah.
endless.
Yeah. 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 No, no, no. I love it. I love it. In fact, please count me in. Okay. I'm joining your class when I'm coming to India.
Shukran. Any
What
time.
is the duration, by the way? What is the duration of your class?
30 minutes, that's it.
And how
Only
long does it
30
go? Like
minutes.
how long does the course last?
In 1 week at least, if you're beginner,
तो
like you really
एक वीक
need
में आप like like good party makeup सीख सकते हो?
आराम से सीख सकते हो.
Oh God,
See,
count
it's
me in.
makeup
I
is
am pakka learning it. I am
makeup.
pakka learning it.
Makeup is all about blending.
Yeah.
Makeup is nothing. It's all about if you learn the technique of blending. Makeup में अच्छा blend हो रखा होगा ना, whether it's your eyes, your lips, your foundation, your concealers, anything. It needs to be blend properly so that it doesn't look like, it just look like it's your own skin instead of
हाँ.
your thopa five lot of things together.
Exactly. Right, right, right. I agree. So much. I do understand. In fact, Acha, I can't like I'm getting so amazed by this technicality of yours that I'm skipping off the question. मुझे detachment theory के बारे में discuss करना है, but I can't stop my questions here. See, I told you this
And
show
that's
is going to
okay.
be fun. That show is going to be fun. But listen, I have to ask you one thing, okay?
Sure, please.
Before we go ahead and talk about detachment theory, I think I'm going to have multiple sessions with you and just talk about these things. But sometimes you want makeup to be flattery also. Like kabhi na, you like that flattery, that shiny, that shimmer on your eyes kind of makeup. I love it
Of
too. Like
course
that's
you
something
do. Of course you do.
it's
But I
just
think that it
it's just
depends.
nice.
I think night jo मुझे लगता है shimmery and this glam look always look good in when there's a night kind of a
Correct,
cocktail,
correct.
right? So but that's it's my personal liking. I don't like doing a lot of glittery when you're going on a sun type of a wedding or like
Yeah. वो तो होगा भी नहीं
though
ना.
it just हाँ. So
नहीं but वो
sometimes
करते हैं
I
क्या
think
लोग?
make
Do people do
बहुत
it?
लोग करते हैं.
में shimmer करते
Yeah,
हैं दिन
people
में.
do it.
अच्छा.
Yeah, of course. People do love, like, some people some people love highlighters. If you know highlighters,
हाँ
I
हाँ
I don't
बिल्कुल,
know.
yes, I know highlighters, yeah.
So like, So some people cannot live without highlighters. Like people like I love blush. I just
हाँ.
love blush.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
tinted blushes. They're my life. I cannot go without blush.
I
So I
know that
love
makes your
cream.
face look, yeah, it makes your face look really like
Yeah, it
ashy and
looks so
yeah,
plump, that.
plump,
Yeah,
plump.
exactly. So
Acha,
everybody has their own
one more
definition
question,
towards.
just one more question. I'm
Sure,
sorry,
sure, sure.
I'm so
No,
sorry.
no,
I'm
no, no,
just
no.
going
No,
off the
see, I'm
entire,
laughing.
theme of the
No,
show
no,
and
no,
just
no.
asking, but I can't help it. My
No, no,
viewers
I'm
also gonna love
laughing.
it. I'm sure everyone's gonna love
Of
it.
course.
अच्छा, कभी-कभी क्या होता है ना, a person is looking दूर से बहुत अच्छा, amazing that
Hmm.
person is looking. मेकअप वो दूर से बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, आप उसके पास जाओगे ना, दैट पर्सन विल लुक हॉरिबल यार, हॉरिबल लगता है वो इंसान. आपको लगता है भाई इसकी स्किन कहाँ पे है, वेयर इज दिस पर्सन स्किन, पता नहीं वो और एंड इट लुक्स लाइक दिस थिंग इज गोना फॉल ऑफ दैट पर्सन's फेस इतना.
Yeah,
व्हाट
of
इज दैट
course.
थिंग, इज इट लाइक इट्स जस्ट इट मेक्स मी लुक
You
रियल,
know,
मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है उसके बगैर आप
sometimes.
एक नॉर्मल मॉइस्चराइजर लगा के चले जाओ, दैट विल लुक बेटर, बट वो पास में जब जाओगे ना, दैट पर्सन लुक्स लाइक अ
I
ड्रैकुला और समथिंग, की सारा खून खाली हो
Sonak.
गया है, नो नो नो, यू नो नो ब्लड ऑन फेस, ऑल वाइट, और सामने दिख रहा है कि कुछ मतलब बढ़िया से दो चार जो है वो
Patches and
लेयर्स हैं,
everything. Patches
पैचेस हैं.
बनना चाहते
व्हाट्स
हैं,
अप
बनना
विद दैट, व्हाट्स दैट, जस्ट गिव मी एन
चाहते हैं.
आइडिया अबाउट इट. या.
Again, I'm telling you, see, of course, if you have a dry skin, right?
हम्म.
So you need to moisturize yourself better and well.
करेक्ट.
बिकॉज हमारी स्किन है कुछ टाइम बाद ना इसमें ऑयल ग्लैंड्स होते हैं तो वो आएंगे ही आएंगे.
करेक्ट.
बट क्या होता है व्हेन यू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ ड्राई स्किन लो तो उसमें जो आपका ऑयल का सीबम होता है ना वो बहुत
हम्म.
कम होता है.
हम्म.
एंड प्लस जो भी फाउंडेशन या जितने भी हम ये लगाते हैं इट
हम्म.
विल अगेन ये जाएगा तो स्किन के अंदर ही ना. तो
करेक्ट.
कुछ टाइम बाद सोचो जो ड्राई स्किन प्लस
हम्म.
यू नॉट मॉइस्चराइज इट वेल एंड
हम्म.
स्टिल देन आपने उसको सबको कंबाइन करके फेस पे लगा लिया है. You have not done a proper setting spray or a lot of things which is which gonna impact your makeup. And आप बात तो करोगे, you have lines when
हम्म.
you smile,
या.
when you do like frown, सब बनता है
हाँ
ना आपका.
हाँ हाँ हाँ
आप 1 घंटे 2 घंटे के बाद ना उस मेकअप में आपको सब कुछ दिखेगा when
हाँ.
it's not properly set, when
करेक्ट.
it's not
वो
properly
दिखता है.
moisturized or hydrate. Yeah.
या.
So again I'm gonna start. Your skin needs to breathe first before you start your makeup.
करेक्ट. करेक्ट.
एंड मेकअप के बीच में भी ना यू नीड अ सेटिंग स्प्रे सो दैट वो जो आपने मेकअप किया है इट हैज टू बी
उस
इंटैक्ट.
इंटैक्ट. ओके ओके, गॉट इट,
या
गॉट.
सो व्हाट हम लोग क्या देखते हैं वीडियोस में कहीं
अच्छा,
मेकअप
मैंने तो
किया
ये
एंड देन
देखा
दे
है लोग
सेटिंग
सेटिंग
स्प्रे
स्प्रे इन
किया.
द एंड
वे
पुट
सबसे
अप कर.
लास्ट.
हाँ.
या दैट्स व्हाट मैं वही बोलने वाली थी कि
हाँ.
लोग हमने क्या देखते हैं जितनी हम वीडियोस देखते हैं ना उसमें देखते हैं कि लास्ट में शीशी
लास्ट
किया एंड
में.
देन देन
हाँ
बोलते हैं.
हाँ
या
हाँ.
नो बट दिस इज टेक्निक लाइक दिस इज काइंड ऑफ अ टेक्निक. आपको अपना मेकअप किया लाइक यू हैव डन योर फाउंडेशन देन यू डू अ सेटिंग स्प्रे and then relax. ठीक है आप
हम्म.
5 2 मिनट रुको and then whatever the concealer you using it you
हम्म.
can use in a brush so it
हम्म.
will stay there, it will
हम्म.
not gonna merge. तो
हम्म.
बहुत चीजें बहुत सारी इसमें टेक्निक्स होती हैं which you need
करेक्ट.
to learn. राइट
फाइन
मेकअप इज
नुआंसेस.
एग्जैक्टली जब आप मेकअप जब सीखते हो और जब मेकअप करते हो बोथ आर डिफरेंट.
करेक्ट.
मैच्योर स्किन मेकअप इज डिफरेंट व्हेन यू गो. आप सोचो किसी की
वाओ.
बिल्कुल प्लेन और बिल्कुल फ्लॉलेस स्किन है उसमें
हम्म.
मेकअप वैसे इतना अच्छा लगता है सो
अच्छा
यू फील
लगेगा.
लाइक यू ब्लेंडिंग ऑफ
हाँ हाँ
कोर्स. बट
हाँ.
वही मैच्योर स्किन आ जाएगी तो उसको आपने कैसे करना है.
करेक्ट.
somebody have textured skin उससे
हाँ
आप कैसे करोगे. सो देयर
हाँ.
आर डिफरेंट टेक्निक्स अबाउट मेकअप. और
ओके.
मेकअप में एक बहुत कुछ नहीं है. इट्स
करेक्ट.
नॉट टू मच as our industry has been like showing ki
या.
see there's a lot of products like we
हाँ
used to
हाँ
wear
हाँ.
clothes
या.
right like you wear brands. There's H&M, there's Zara, then there is Calvin, there is
या.
Gucci, Louis. So it's
हम्म.
just same
हम्म.
as are in makeup. There are drugstores and there are high brands.
या.
So that really totally depend. पर उसकी knowledge बहुत कम लोगों को है कि कितना कुछ
करेक्ट.
डालना है फेस पे और
करेक्ट.
कितना कुछ नहीं डालना है फेस
हाँ.
पे. So
अग्री.
you need to know the color theory कि color browns के साथ में क्या जा रहा
ओ
है. If you
वाओ.
have a dark bold lips,
अच्छा.
just imagine you're having a bold eyes
हाँ.
and then you bold lips.
ओ.
That is not gonna create मतलब वो look
It
अच्छा
look
नहीं
too
आता.
much. It look
So
too
you need to
much.
know the subtleness कि आपने अगर of course look too much. So
हाँ.
then if you're having a beautiful natural lips, go with the beautiful eyes. What kind of lashes you're looking for. You want like inner lashes.
अच्छा,
And
lashes they are not
I can go
mandatory
any.
now all the time. I'm
No,
not a big fan of
it's not
lashes.
no, it's not mandatory, but I somehow, sometimes it
They
gives you
look
that
really
flattery.
glamorous.
That's what I'm, that's
Yeah.
what saying flattery सा लगता है, मेकअप बेटा सटल सा लगता है.
Mm.
तो वो
Just
जो
to
हम
add a
लोग
bit of
औरों को
glam.
देखते हैं.
Yeah. Yeah.
Exactly. So but
Ag-
that also depends that जो आप जब lashes भी लगाते हो तो lashes लगानी कैसे, and that is also a
हाँ
process.
हाँ, वो
So
मैंने
some
बहुत
people
लोग का देखा है,
started
उतर रही होती है, the lashes
with
are coming off and it looks so funny. I
That's
know,
what.
I
So
know.
please, so please cut your lashes. Please, आप अपना नाप लो आंखों का,
तो ये
उसको
सब,
cut करो अपने according,
हाँ.
and then put your lashes. Please
No, but tell me
don't
this,
torture
get
your
to learn
lashes.
all of this क्योंकि मेरे जैसा बंदा लगाएगा ना lashes तो ऐसा ही होगा जैसा मैं जैसा मैं बोल रही हूँ,
No,
right? So
no. You need to measurize. Please cut your lashes.
no,
You're
that's why
supposed
we
to cut
take
your
up your course,
lashes.
na? That's why we take up your course. See, I think it's
Of course,
important.
of
Listen,
course.
I am pakka joining your course, and my wonderful viewers out here meet,
I hope so.
connect with the lady.
I'm gonna wait.
To the lady, I'm going to leave her, her profile description and everything, and you get to connect with her and just, I think sometimes natural is truly very unconventional and it truly shows up.
Conventional.
So,
Of
Abhi,
course,
right
of
now, now
course.
on your face, Nikita, I'm telling you, I'm not trying to flatter you because you're my guest here, but I'm telling you,
Okay.
it looks like you've done some nice moisturizing on your skin, and it looks very
That's
hydrated, it looks very plump,
Do you
and
really
it
want to
doesn't
see
look
what I
like you've
did
done makeup.
actually?
Yeah, sorry, say
Do
that
you
again.
really want to see what I did?
I would love that. Give me a secret here.
I can't even tell you that what I did. Only I just used retinol.
Oh God. Oh wow. Okay, retinol. I
Okay,
know.
that's
Yeah.
it. And my moisturizer, and I've done my blush. That's it. There's
Yeah.
no makeup, there's no foundation, there's no
Yeah.
concealer right now.
Wow. No
It's
way.
just
You've not
a
put
normal,
foundation?
nothing on my
Oh
face.
my God.
Trust me
No,
on it.
that's unbelievable. That's seriously unbelievable.
There's nothing on my
Yeah,
face
I
right
think
now.
that
It's
is
just
where
my.
ना, और no, on a serious note, that is where मुझे लगता है कि this is where there is a difference between a beautician and a makeup artist. Someone,
Yes, exactly.
I think आप ब्यूटी को एनहांस करने पे फोकस कर रहे हो, ना कि सिर्फ मेकअप को एनहांस करने पे, बाय टेलिंग पीपल हाउ टू रियली टेक केयर ऑफ योर स्किन, and then
Yes,
your makeup will look as an enhancer and not like layers and layers of,
of
layers and
course. That's the actually. अगर आप किसी भी, if you have a beautiful makeup artist with you, she'll
yeah,
make sure that your skin looks skin.
correct.
She will not let you look like, a lot of layers, and then you were like, what is
हाँ
this? And sometimes ना आपको क्या होता है, आप कभी ना कुछ बोल नहीं पाते हो. Though you
हाँ
don't
हाँ,
like that makeup,
करेक्ट
and then you feel like,
करेक्ट,
यार मैंने कैसे बोलूंगी, maybe, उसका बुरा लग जाएगा, ऐसा लग जाएगा.
या
But then it is something, I think आपको बोलना चाहिए, so that person also learn to, उसको समझ में आएगा.
या
I think हम लोग ना बहुत बड़ा ऐसा कई बार गलती करते हैं कि शायद उसको बुरा ना लग जाए. I
but the
think
bigger the
everybody.
makeup artist, the bigger their egos, yeah, come on, वो भी एक स्ट्रेस में रहता है बेचारा क्लाइंट कि मैं बोल दूंगी तो वो
हाँ.
मेरे मेरे आर्ट पे कहाँ कैसे क्वेश्चन कर रहा है, so it could come
But
across
I
and
think, I think वो इतना इम्पोर्टेंट भी होता है किसी के लिए भी, जो मेकअप जिसको मेकअप नहीं आता ना, आई फील लाइक कि वो
हम्म,
आप पे बहुत ही ट्रस्ट करके बैठा हुआ है,
करेक्ट
ब्लाइंड
करेक्ट,
फेथ के बैठा हुआ है कि दैट यू गोना मेक मी लुक ब्यूटीफुल.
हाँ
And then I feel like whenever I see someone disheartened, and then they were like, it's okay, क्या कर सकते थे. And I feel like, oh come on यार, I really wish कि मैं वहां पर होती, I can do touch-ups, or I can do make, little bit आपको मैं
या
अच्छा कर सकती थी and all that.
या
So I feel like, that if you paying someone, so I want that day should be your day. You
your
look
day,
like
oh
the
my
way
God. I have to admit, I look like a tribal bride on my, one of the, I don't have to name the functions,
Shut
but I
up.
genuinely looked like one. I was like, oh God, how bad do I look like? I actually, for the first time, like I'm pretty much feel confident in my own skin. I'm not wearing makeup right now. I usually don't. It's not that I'm not fond of makeup. I love makeup, but like it doesn't mean that I'm not fond of myself and my own skin.
Of course.
And so that
And that's
makeup,
the key, I guess.
that makeup made me feel underconfident. I have to say that. Like seriously. And I'm a person who really believes in my own beauty and my own strength. And I genuinely felt very low after that makeup because it just felt like it was overload and it wasn't
It's not
was
you. Of course, it's not
wasn't me.
you.
So yeah, that happens,
Exactly.
which is why now, Nikita, I'm very skeptical when it comes to makeup artists. मेरे को बहुत डर लगता है यार. I'm very serious.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I,
yeah.
of course,
My
I'm
my
sure.
family keeps telling me कि जाओ किसी makeup artist के पास, you should go and like कोई function है, and I'm like, listen, I think I can do this. मैं खुद ही कर लेती हूँ जितना हो जाएगा, because I can't afford to
And
become something which I'm not. At least I look
not
simple, फर्क
exactly.
नहीं पड़ेगा. But I think having a good beautician on your side is 100%
Very
a
important.
cherry,
It's very
on the
at
cake.
the top.
क्योंकि
Of
आप
course,
truly
I
enhance
agree.
करते हो. Then you, because I am
Of
telling you, deep inside my heart, I love flattery eye makeup. I love sparkly eye makeup,
Whenever you're coming
especially.
to India, I'll do it.
I have to, and I'm going to definitely put it on record also, and I'm going to definitely do that because it's my thing. I feel like it makes you
Definitely.
pop. It makes you look.
Of course.
Yeah, it makes the colors in you just show up. That's how I see it.
Of course. Of
Yeah.
course. Makeup is, I told you, makeup definitely enhance you.
Yeah,
Right?
it
It
has to enhance.
definitely
It
gives you,
doesn't.
it,
You don't have to look like someone you're not. Yeah, I mean that's true.
of
फिर
course,
कोई
that's,
फायदा
of
नहीं है.
course. कुछ
Then
भी
there's
नहीं है. And I think अगर आप makeup करके you feel like you're doing something and you're loving it, no, that's
yeah,
the makeup.
yeah,
You done
correct.
something, you love something. So that's the game of the makeup.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
again, you have done something and then you regret and you start judging yourself. Why ये क्यों करा
ये क्यों
यार?
करा
मतलब
मैंने
there is
क्यों पैसे बर्बाद
क्यों
किए हे
बात
भगवान.
करे,
I
I
know,
know.
I know, I know, I know.
So
That
there is no
happens.
point. I'm
Oh
sure with a lot
God.
of people.
Yeah. No, but Nikita, this is so much fun, and I think I can just go on and on this conversation. But
Sakshi, I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so
It's
sorry.
okay.
My hand
Yeah,
just put
yeah.
like I just slid my hand on my mic and it just happened to mute. Okay. So
Okay.
I said we definitely like, I can go on and on when it comes to, makeup and asking you
Makeup.
tips because I
Yeah.
feel like मेरे को वो खजाना मिल गया है which I have to like, get and grab as much as possible. But there's another beautiful aspect about your personality which I'm truly interested in displaying to the world out there. You follow a beautiful spiritual theory, which is called detachment. I mean, detachment
Yeah.
is a
Yeah.
very misconstrued concept, right? A lot
Don't
of people
ask.
don't,
Yes.
yeah,
Of
yeah,
course.
people don't really understand what it means. From
Hmm.
your, version of detachment, and of course, we can discuss on it. How would you explain detachment in a simple way to our listeners? Like it's something which the
I
world needs to know.
आई थिंक डिटैचमेंट में ना डिटैचमेंट को जो वर्ड है ना सोनाक्षी आई
जी,
थिंक उस वर्ड को ना बहुत लोगों ने ना बहुत ही डिफरेंट डिफरेंट जज किया हुआ है
करेक्ट, अग्री.
डिटैचमेंट डज नॉट आप इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आपको किसी से प्यार नहीं है और यू नॉट गोना लव समवन और यू जस्ट डिटैचिंग फ्रॉम द वर्ल्ड
या,
डिटैचमेंट मीन्स लविंग योरसेल्फ फर्स्ट
या,
व्हेन आप अगर अपने आप को प्यार कर रहे हो ना तो आप सबको प्यार कर रहे हो
करेक्ट.
डिटैचमेंट का मतलब वो है डिटैचमेंट का मतलब ये नहीं है कि मेरा हस्बैंड है मैं उसको नो नो आई एम डिटैच्ड आई डोंट नो आई डोंट बिलोंग
या,
टू दिस वर्ल्ड
या,
आई एम सो मच इनटू दिस वर्ल्ड एंड आई एम एंजॉयिंग ईच एंड एवरीथिंग व्हाट गॉड हैज गिवन मी
या,
डिटैचमेंट में ना सिर्फ आप ना उसमें ना आप प्यार कर रहे हो पर आप क्लिंग नहीं कर रहे हो क्लिंग इन द
करेक्ट.
सेंस यू नॉट होल्डिंग दैट थिंग्स
या,
कि मेरे
या.
को मतलब आप किसी को फोर्सफुली नहीं बोल रहे हो कि यार गिनवाना नहीं है मैंने तेरे को
हुँ,
तेरे लिए ये किया था ना तुमने मेरे लिए
हुँ,
क्या किया सो
एग्री.
दिस इज नॉट डिटैचमेंट मीन्स दैट गिव स्पेस टू एवरी बीइंग वेदर
हुँ,
इट्स योर चिल्ड्रन वेदर
या,
इट्स योर हस्बैंड योर एनीवन और
या.
ऐसा नहीं है कि हम ह्यूमन वर्ल्ड में रहते हैं वी डू हैव काइंड ऑफ सम डेज आर देयर वेयर वी
You
फील लाइक
want,
समथिंग
yeah.
इज नॉट राइट और मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ थिंग्स हम लोग चले जाते हैं उस जगह पर बट देन वी अगर आप डिटैच हो चुके हो ना तो आपको कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता
अगर वो बंदा
आपको
अवेलेबल नहीं हुआ आपके लिए, तो आपको फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगा, राइट?
नहीं
राइट?
पड़ेगा आपको फर्क
You
ही
will
नहीं
not
पड़
go
आपको
and
फर्क
fight with that person.
नो 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 आई थिंक मुझे लगता है हमारे ना बहुत टाइम से ना इंसेस्ट जो हम जो सुनते आ रहे हैं कि हम ना हर रिश्ते का एक नाम रखते हैं
करेक्ट.
है ना
हुँ, हुँ.
लाइक वाइफ और मदर और हस्बैंड और भाभी और चाची और मामी और व्हाट्स कितने नाम है ना, बहुत सारे
राइट
नाम है।
राइट राइट
अगर
राइट
मुझे लगता है कि जो सबसे बेस्ट नाम, मतलब जो सबसे बेस्ट रिलेशन में अगर किसी को बोल सकती हूँ,
जी।
दैट इज ओनली वन रिलेशन, दैट रिलेशन इज अ फ्रेंडशिप.
वाह।
You need to be friends with your husband, you need to be friend with your children, with people around. I think उसमें ना कुछ वो नहीं है कि
सेंस ऑफ
आपने
लॉस
उससे
नहीं
क्या,
है।
कुछ भी नहीं है. आई थिंक आप हम ना रिलेशन पे ना एक नाम जब आता है ना कि हस्बैंड, तो लगता है कि उसकी ड्यूटी है ये करना.
करेक्ट।
हम ड्यूटीज मान लेते हैं उस चीज को कि मैं
राइट।
एक वाइफ हूं तो मेरी ये ड्यूटी है.
हम्म।
ड्यूटीज हमें, एवरीबडी नो हमारी क्या ड्यूटी है. वंस वी
करेक्ट
बिकम मदर, विद देयर इज नो लुकिंग बैक.
करेक्ट
राइट. वी
करेक्ट।
जस्ट, हम लोग फिर ना अपना ट्रैवल करते रहते हैं. सो मुझे बहुत टाइम लगा इस डिटैचमेंट को समझने के लिए, बिकॉज आई एम ऑल्सो समवेयर लॉस्ट. डिटैचमेंट मीन्स टू नॉट टू थिंक अबाउट ये, बस मेरे को ये, अच्छा मुझे डिटैच होना है, इससे डिटैच होना, उससे नो. मुझे किसी से डिटैच नहीं होना. आई लव माई हस्बैंड, आई लव माई फैमिली, आई लव पीपल अराउंड मी, आई लव पार्टिंग. मैं डांस, सब कुछ करती हूँ. आई डू एवरीथिंग. एंड
वाह।
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. डिटैचमेंट डजंट मीन दैट आप एक भक्त बन जाओगे, आप एक साधु बन जाओगे. नहीं. आई डोंट नो, इट्स मेरे लिए ना, ये मैं इस टॉपिक पे बहुत लंबी बात कर सकती हूँ
नहीं नहीं, आप
सोनाक्षी.
करो आप
आई
करो।
थिंक वी
आप
नीड टू.
जरूर करो, मैं सुनना चाहती हूँ। आई रियली वांट टू लिसन।
हाँ. मुझे मुझे लगता है कि हम लोग जब भी बात करते हैं ना, मुझे लगता है जो साधु संत या भगवान थे ना, मतलब जो, विच आई यूज्ड टू रीड बुक्स, अ लॉट ऑफ बुक्स आई रीड. तो उसमें ना, आई थिंक भगवान भी ना रीबर्थ मांगते हैं.
करेक्ट
बिकॉज इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट इन दिस मटेरियलिस्टिक वर्ल्ड टू डिटैच फ्रॉम विद इन.
करेक्ट
हमें किसी को दिखाना नहीं है कि हम डिटैच हैं. मुझे
करेक्ट।
किसी को बताना नहीं है कि मैं
या
डिटैच हूँ. पीपल विल
अग्रीड।
जज यू इन एनी विच.
पीपल विल जज यू,
आपको ना,
वेरी ट्रू।
people gonna judge you, and people will start saying कि हाँ, it's maybe what kind of acting is this, what. So I really don't care.
या
People who know me, they are still with me. People who, जो मुझे, जिनको मैं समझ में नहीं आई, तो it's okay.
करेक्ट।
मुझे किसी को भी समझाना नहीं है अपने आप को, और मुझे लगता है किसी को भी ना समझाना नहीं है. जब आप ये समझ जाओगे ना कि किसी को, जो आपको समझता होगा ना सोनाक्षी, वो आपके साथ ना अंत तक खड़ा रहेगा, चाहे आप
खड़ा रहे।
उससे एक वर्ड भी बात नहीं करोगे तो.
आई एग्री।
So I think detachment is in a very cut to short में, detachment means love.
इट मींस लव।
It means surrender. It means nothing else. You don't have to, किसी से कुछ लेना नहीं है, किसी को कुछ देना नहीं है.
करेक्ट।
That's it. That's detachment.
नो, आई एग्री आई एग्री। इनफैक्ट मैं ये भी मानती हूँ कि जब, एंड करेक्ट मी इफ आई एम रॉन्ग, अगर मैं इसको मिसअंडरस्टैंड कर रही हूँ, कि डिटैचमेंट हमारे जो साधु संत थे, राइट,
जी.
जो जितने भी बड़े लोग हुए, जितने भी लोगों ने
जी.
हमारी
जी.
सोसाइटी पे ट्रूली इम्पैक्ट लिया, करेक्ट किया,
जी. जी.
क्रिएट किया, राइट, those people were
जी.
all really detached from the world, and they were the persons who created the most impact on this society. That means they were the
Of
biggest
course.
lovers. सोचो कि वो अपनी फैमिली के बियॉन्ड भी लोगों को प्यार करते थे, बट they were detached. They were not attached to the
Exactly.
concept of कि अरे उसने मेरे को ये नहीं पूछा तो अब मैं उससे नाराज हो जाऊंगा, अरे वो वैसा नहीं हुआ तो मैं उससे. They were just giving, and they were okay. They always knew they will get. So they had no issues,
Exactly.
correct? क्या मैं इसको
Yes, of course.
succeed कर सकती हूँ
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, आप
detachment से?
बिल्कुल, of course, I think people who are detached, जो बहुत डिटैच होते हैं ना, they are the best givers.
हम्म।
दे आर दी बेस्ट गिवर्स, बिकॉज उनको ना कोई डर, उनको कोई फियर नहीं होता, उनको कुछ, उन्हें कुछ खोने का डर नहीं है, उन्हें कुछ पाने का खुशी नहीं है. दे
Right.
आर हैप्पी विद, दे आर वेरी कंटेंट इन देयर
They're
लाइफ.
very content. Let me put it that way.
एग्जैक्टली, या
Yeah.
दे आर वेरी कंटेंट इन देयर लाइफ. उनके पास जो चीजें हैं ना, वो उसमें इतना खुश रहते हैं ना, मानसी. आई कांट इवन, सॉरी, आई कांट टेल यू सोनाक्षी,
Mhm.
कि मतलब कि इतनी चीजें हो जाती हैं लाइफ, मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि लोगों की लाइफ में ना बहुत हार्डशिप्स भी होती हैं.
Correct.
ठीक है.
Correct.
डिटैचमेंट, कई लोग डिटैचमेंट को ना समझ ही नहीं पाते हैं.
Correct.
दे ओनली स्टार्ट सेइंग कि भगवान ने ऐसा क्यों कर दिया हमारे साथ,
Exactly.
समथिंग, भगवान ने ऐसा क्यों कर दिया हमारे साथ. सो बहुत चीजें हैं हमारे साथ जो जुड़ी हुई हैं. वी, आई डोंट नो मैं पहले क्या थी.
Mm-hmm.
सो आई
Mm-hmm.
हैव दिस लाइफ, आई रिमेम्बर दिस लाइफ, सो आई मेक श्योर कि इफ मुझे अगर ये एनलाइटमेंट मिला है, मुझे ये स्पिरिचुअल पाथ मिला है, सो
Mm-hmm.
आई थिंक now I know what is true meaning of detachment. That
Correct.
I don't, ऐसा नहीं है कि I'll not be, I don't love my kids or I don't love my husband again. क्योंकि लोग ना बार बार वहीं जाते हैं
Yeah,
कि
मुझे मैं
why
समझ
are
रही
you
हूँ.
so
I
big,
get it. I get what you're
because
saying. Yeah.
that why you become so yogini और तुम
No,
साधु क्यों
you're
बन
not.
रहे हो,
It's
ऐसा
not.
क्यों
You're
बन.
not left your grihast जीवन. That's
Of
not what you're doing.
course,
You
that
love
is
your
not, and
family, but this is love with satisfaction, with abundance, and
ex
without a lot of expectations, I feel.
patience,
है ना?
exactly.
कि अगर
There is,
कल को
I
मेरा
think,
मेरा बेटा या मेरी बेटी या मेरे हस्बैंड अवेलेबल नहीं है किसी मोमेंट, ऑफ कोर्स यू वांट देम टू बी अवेलेबल फॉर यू,
little
बट
bit,
इफ दे आर
हाँ, of
नॉट
course.
एट सर्टन सम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम बिकॉज ऑफ XYZ रीजन, you are
जी,
not
जी.
going to go crazy and desperate and depressed and stressed and all the negative, right? Can we say
Exactly,
that way?
exactly. Yes,
Right?
exactly. That's the right way to, tell. I think
Yes.
you know what you said. तो
Yeah.
मुझे लगता है कि रियलिटी यही है कि अगर हम किसी के साथ ना इतना अटैच नहीं होना, हमें कि हमें कल को लगे कि दिस इज व्हाई ही इज नॉट डन दिस फॉर मी,
Yeah.
व्हाई ही इज नॉट देयर, व्हाई हिज टाइम इज नॉट देयर. आई थिंक एवरीबody इज ह्यूमन फॉर द
Yeah.
फर्स्ट टाइम इन देयर लाइफ.
Yeah.
आवर हस्बैंड्स आर ह्यूमन फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. आई हैव नो आइडिया कि वो पहले क्या थे. ठीक है, मैं उनको कुछ नहीं बोल सकती कि
Correct.
तुम्हें मेरे साथ ये करना ही पड़ेगा.
Correct.
आई थिंक आपको करना है ना, आपको जो आपको जानता होगा ना, उसे बोलना ही नहीं पड़ेगा. वो
Correct.
खुद ही कर देगा चीजें आपके लिए. सो
Correct.
देयर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स इन डिटैचमेंट में. तो देयर इतनी चीजें हैं बात करने
I
के
know,
लिए.
I
इट इज
can
लाइक
see, I can see that
टॉपिक.
emotional streak coming on your,
या
in your body language. Being
एग्जैक्टली. सो
a
आई
psychologist, I can at least, I can definitely see this कि आप कितना emotional feel कर रहे हो, how enthusiastically you feel about this topic, and
ऑफ
this is the
कोर्स, ऑफ
reason I
कोर्स.
really wanted to bring it, bring it on this podcast. All right. So हम लोग ना, we were discussing about this detachment theory, and I just happened to disconnect for a bit, but there's one more thing key, and then of course I want to go back to your, beauty wale questions because they are like the main theme of the show. But I love it. I
Sure,
love
sure.
what we are
Hmm.
discussing right now. So tell me this, Nikita, how has the the concept of spirituality, even though it's maybe it's in the form of detachment or any other form of spirituality that you're experiencing, how has it changed the way you see beauty, people, and yourself? Kaise? Matlab, what impact has it had on these aspects of your life?
I think I told you before, right? Detachment is all about love. It's not about clinging. And same goes like to हम ना ब्यूटी को ना हमने ब्यूटी को ना बहुत बड़ा मेजर पॉइंट दे दिया आज की डेट में.
Correct.
Like your face is everything.
Is everything
For
correct?
me, yeah. So of course, I think when you go, now when you meet someone,
Hmm.
they look at your entire personality, right?
Correct.
They look
Mhm.
at how you dress, how you have done your makeup and everything. But this is again, it is just a spotlight. It is just mere a layer of skin. So
Yeah.
there's nothing to be. If I feel, अगर मैं बोलूं कि ब्यूटी को, अगर ब्यूटी और spirituality is going to be together,
Hmm.
you are beautiful in each and every manner of your life. Of
Yeah.
I think all the skin, each and every part of your body is so beautiful because it is already created.
Yeah.
और
It's
जिसने क्रिएट किया है ना, we
Mhm.
we keep on we keep on every single day. We all शुक्राना करते हैं हम.
Ji.
We thank. So what
Of
we
course.
thank, what you going to thank about this life.
Yeah.
And then again, so I think beauty is not about going under, like, see, again, everybody have their different perspective, and I'm not saying anything wrong about everyone. Whosoever feel like howsoever they want to do their makeup
Mhm.
and their toward their treatments, but I still believe you're beautiful any which way, with or without makeup.
Lovely.
There's nothing there. Your confidence, like, this is your authenticity. So
Correct.
keep it.
Keep it. Yeah.
Instead
Agreed.
of, yeah, keep it. So,
And just
I
accept
think
it.
you
I
don't
think
need to
that's how
show it to
we.
people, that you
No, no. Go ahead. Go ahead. I'm listening, please. Go ahead.
acceptance is the first thing. I think acceptance is the first thing. आपका
Yeah.
पहला point ही acceptance है. Whether you,
Acceptance.
अगर आप bare face भी जा रहे हो, you need to be confident enough. आपके अंदर इतना confidence होना चाहिए कि ठीक है यार, कि this is my space.
Correct.
If makeup will not depict you, right? Makeup is just a, क्या है, accessory तो है.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
it's not gonna show you ना, आपकी जो आप जिससे बात करते हो ना, आपको ना वो याद रहेगा. आपको
Right.
किसी ने ट्रीट किया है ना सोनाक्षी, आपको वो याद रहेगा. आपकी उसकी
Right.
काइंडनेस, उसका ग्रेस, उसका कॉन्फिडेंस याद रहेगा. आई डोंट थिंक सो. मैं आपसे पूछती हूँ अभी, क्या आप मुझे बताओ, आप किसी बहुत सुंदर मेकअप आर्टिस्ट या किसी बहुत सुंदर लड़की से मिले होगे, एंड उसने कौन सा मेकअप, कौन सा एयरिंग, कौन सा ड्रेस पहना होगा? आई डोंट थिंक
So
सो यू
true.
रिमेम्बर दैट.
Yeah, it's so
But
true.
you
I
remember
would,
the
I
but
would,
but आपको हमेशा याद रहेगा कि उसने आपके साथ बिहेव कैसा किया था,
किसने
कि
कैसे
जब आप
treat.
उसके आप एग्जैक्टली सो दिस इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ एनी एक्सेसरी यू वेयर. योर
Correct.
काइंडनेस इज एवरीथिंग. आपकी ब्यूटी वगैरह सब बाद में आ जाएगी. अगर आपके स्किन पे वो जो रिफ्लेक्शन होती है ना, दैट ग्लो वी सी ऑन पीपल
Yeah,
फेस, दैट
yeah,
आई थिंक दैट ग्लो इज द काइंडनेस. द ग्लो इज द गिवर काइंड ऑफ अ ग्लो.
agreed, agreed.
एंड तो मुझे लगता है कि ब्यूटी इज अगेन इज नथिंग, इज जस्ट अ स्पॉटलाइट, इट्स नॉट द
Yeah,
शो. सो
yeah,
जो शो है ना, उसको आप ही शुरू करते हो और आप ही खत्म करोगे. वो
correct.
कैसे करना, इट ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन यू.
No, that's beautiful. Very well said. I think, kudos to that because, no, seriously, it's very well said. I feel like I completely agree with what you're saying. And I think you'll be the first beautician to actually also say ki makeup is an accessory and not, your entire personality. क्योंकि, a lot of beauticians,
एग्जैक्टली या.
वो इतना ओवरसेल करते हैं मेकअप को कि लोग शायद ये यकीन मानने लगे हैं कि there's nothing that goes above and beyond makeup, right? So I think
एग्जैक्टली ऑफ कोर्स.
is where you're doing justice to your profession, but you're staying intact in your ethical values as well. And I think that's where I'm trying to show my respect towards you. I think that's
थैंक
truly
यू सो
something which is
मच.
very heartwarming. Because it's nice to have
थैंक यू.
honesty all the time, right?
ऑफ
अच्छा
कोर्स
अभी
आई
ना
मीन.
थोड़ा सा fun part करना है मुझे. I really want to have this nice fun part with you. I think I'm just going to have like a
श्योर श्योर
question
श्योर.
rapid fire before I have more fun with you, which is in one or two more questions for people like
श्योर
me.
श्योर.
हमारे जैसे लोगों को
ओके.
बहुत जरूरत है इस क्वेश्चन
श्योर
की जो मैं
श्योर.
आपको आगे पूछने वाली हूँ. ओके, इफ देयर
ओके.
इज वन प्रोडक्ट, इफ देयर इज वन प्रोडक्ट जो आपको इमीडिएटली किसी एमेच्योर को प्रोवाइड करना है, अगर वो मेकअप, स्किन एंड ऑल, नॉट स्किन केयर बट लाइक मेकअप प्रोडक्ट, कि यार
ओके.
ओके मुझे बता दो बस कोई एक प्रोडक्ट जिससे मैं मतलब कुछ तो कुछ तो ग्लैमरस या अपने आप को थोड़ा
I
सा
think
मेकअप
I
कर पाऊँ.
Born This Way concealer is like my go-to product. I
Is
think
that
it
a
is one of the
concealer?
best.
Is
It's a
it is
concealer, but
okay.
it is a concealer, but you can use it as a foundation, as a concealer, as a corrector. It can go like you can work with anything. It's such a
Okay.
beautiful, beautiful thing. I think everybody should must have in their vanity.
Okay.
Born This Way concealer, and according to the shades,
Born this way. Born this way.
Sway. Yeah,
But
yeah.
isn't the concealer shade meant to be different from the foundation shade? कुछ ऐसा नहीं होता?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है.
अच्छा.
ठीक
Okay.
है. हम डिपेंड करता है कि आपको कितना उसको आईज
Quantity?
को कितना आपने हाईलाइट करना है,
अच्छा.
कितना आपको हाईलाइट करना है, कितना उसको वो दिखाना है. एंड दैट कैन बी इन कंसीलर ऑल्सो ना. देर आर वेरियस काइंड ऑफ शेड्स. तो
Okay.
बॉर्न दिस कंसीलर, if you don't want to spend too much on a foundation, so
Hmm.
concealer is something which I feel like अगर आप दो कंसीलर भी लोगे ना, इट इज
हाँ.
सो इजी टू, आप इसको कहीं भी कैरी करके ले सकते हो आराम से.
Okay.
You're going with anywhere, in a destination wedding पे जा रहे हो, कहीं पे
Hmm.
जा रहे हो. So you
Hmm.
don't need a lot of pumps of foundations and then a
Oh,
lot of concealers and a lot of
wow.
correctors and a lot of things. अगर आपको उस पे काम करना आता है in concealer, I think it's beautiful. Other
No.
than
Yeah.
NARS foundation is all time favorite. My favorite is NARS
Nars.
foundation.
Okay.
There are Giorgio Armani and there are a lot of other brands though. But I think NARS by far is something and everybody can use it. It's
Everyone.
beautiful.
Okay. All right. And if someone wants to go for a quick party hairstyle, what would that
Okay.
one hairstyle be which is going to glam your look? Because it's in the end, hairstyle has to be like fun, na? चाहे आपने जो भी makeup किया हो, one hairstyle which you suggest कि that is
Sonakshi, I
always
feel
going to
like
make you look glamorous.
it depends on what you're wearing, first of all.
अच्छा.
Everything depends on what
Isn't
you're
there a
wearing.
universal
Like
hairstyle? कोई एक universal hairstyle नहीं है?
universal hairstyle is always one thing that that if you know that soft curls,
Oh, soft curls.
if you
Okay.
I just love soft curls.
I think
I
I
think it
also
is
love
you
them. Yeah.
can I think you can never be go wrong. Whether you wear a sari, wear a dress or a gown
हाँ.
or you wear anything or a dress, आप कुछ भी पहन लो, I think soft curls will always look
But
beautiful.
in
And
my
some people,
case, Nikita, in
yeah.
my case, na, soft curls don't really stay. I don't know, curls don't even stay on my hair because they're too straight.
Why?
My hair are very
No,
straight.
but straight also, do you use like a kind of a
I don't use a
Vela, like a
setting spray. No,
fixer,
I don't use
uh,
a. So we have to use it.
anything, no? if you're going for a long type of a party or a like a wedding, no, so I think it's better to use it. At
Oh,
least it will stay for longer. At least for 3-4 hours, it won't go कहीं नहीं जाते, वो वहीं
okay.
रहते हैं, intact रहते हैं.
Okay, nice, beautiful. Acha, now the final fun question before we wrap up the show, and that
Okay.
is कि अगर आपको किसी को like if someone has to go out for a party, what would
Okay.
be a nice अगर किसी को someone
Makeup.
wants to feel like royalty even on a very simple day, तो वो क्या
Okay.
मेकअप ट्रिक होगा कि आप अपने आप को बहुत ही विद इन मिनट्स आप अपने आप को प्रिपेयर कर सकते हो, यू मेक योर फेस लुक ग्रेट.
Okay. So
गिव मी
this is
लाइक
my
अ
trick. Okay.
शॉर्ट.
This is my trick kind of a thing. You know,
हाँ.
you take a foundation,
Hmm.
you take a strobe cream, MAC strobe cream, if you know what strobe cream
No,
is,
I don't know what that
uh,
is. I don't know
it's
what that is.
it's kind of a illuminator. It's like give you a shine, like a kind
अच्छा
of
ठीक है.
glow on your face.
Hmm.
Like
Hmm.
you use that one pump of that in the
You mix
foundation,
them
and
together.
exactly you mix them together, and then you apply it, and then it will give you a sheen kind of a look. Have you ever seen that? You know, Ambani, Nita Ambani, they
हाँ
have she's
हाँ.
always shiny,
Yes,
like
I'm
too
looking
much.
at you. You're also shining, girl.
So
I feel
that
like, oh God, look at this woman and look at me here. Okay, go ahead.
no. So I'm telling you, it's beautiful, and I think it's go to.
So
Please
mixing like
must
a
try it.
nice, you're saying
You
mixing
you
a
you
nice
need a
highlighter
foundation. You
and a
need a found
highlighter.
no, not highlighter. No. Strobe
Okay.
cream. It's a
Strobe
kind of
cream.
strobe cream. Yeah,
Okay.
it's a strobe cream. So
Okay.
MAC का आता है. MAC का बहुत amazing है. It is amazing. So you just mix them together, and you can use it and apply it on your face
But I
together,
hope it
and it's
doesn't
gonna
make
give
our
you
face
that.
look glittery and all. It doesn't look like आपके
No,
face पे
not
sparkle
at
है.
all.
Okay.
Nothing. It doesn't look like anything on your face. It
अच्छा
just
ये
look like your
perfect है,
skin.
ये
It
sorted है,
just
मतलब this is like
yes,
no,
इसके
never
बाद
go
तो
wrong.
आपको it will never go wrong. Like when you see that Alia wala blush, like
I
it's
love
written
that.
इसकी
I
खुद की
love
skin
that.
है यार, you know. So whenever you look someone who very deeper, ना जब photos आप देखते हैं तमन्ना भाटी or someone, they
हाँ.
have this kind of a skin, you know. देखिए मतलब कितनी
क्या?
beautiful skin है यार,
Yes,
shiny,
yes,
shiny सा.
yes,
So
yes, yes.
trust me on this. Please try this. This kind of a hack I'm gonna give you. It's a very
I
easy
love
peasy, and it's
it, girl.
gonna
I love it.
and
I'm
then
trying it.
I हाँ तो उसके बाद you just use a Rare Beauty blush. I love Rare Beauty के blushes. ठीक है,
Okay.
it's like I love, and you just use a Rare Beauty blush on
Yeah.
your face.
हाँ.
I am a mascara girl. I
हाँ.
cannot go wrong with mascara. Mascara is something I cannot live without.
Okay.
See, I still have a curler. This curler
Oh,
is
lovely.
always
Oh, lovely.
there.
Nice. Yes, yes, yes,
So you
yes.
just curl up your eyes, then mascara, good coat of mascaras, a beautiful, luscious kind of a lips.
Mm-hmm.
That's it. But if you really want to add on something, then go with a nice brown eyeshadow. If you have a good
अरे
Huda
आई
eyeshadow,
शैडो इज अ
whatever eyeshadows.
मैक्स तो नहीं नहीं, बट आई थिंक दिस वन आई लव. मैं ये पक्का ट्राई करने वाली हूँ. I'm going to make a note
मतलब इतना
also.
I
और
think
you said
I think everybody's gonna use it. Whosoever gonna use it now, they're gonna love me for this.
नहीं,
I'm
I am
telling
पक्का.
you,
You
this
watch. I am
gonna give you
noting this
this.
down right now. Mac, you said Mac
I
stroke cream. You said strobe cream, right?
yeah, stroke cream, MAC
And
stroke cream.
this
I
you,
don't know
you
if I
थोड़ा सा
have it here.
you put it like a few
It's a kind of
drops.
a thing. If you can see this, it's a Max. This is the one I'm talking about.
Strobe.
I'm not
Okay.
sure.
No, I can
This is
see
the
that.
one,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes, yes.
Yeah,
Lovely.
it's a Max Stroke Cream, and then your foundation, and then you mix it well. But before that, like I told you so many times, I'm gonna repeat again. Your skin needs to hydrate first before you
Yes.
use anything.
पक्का. I'm done with this. This तो मैं पक्का I'm doing
Okay,
this.
I'm gonna. Please let me. I am sure. Or you gonna show me how you done it.
मैं दिखाऊंगी आपको.
I
I
need
am coming.
photos.
I am coming to India very soon. I'm पक्का going to show it to you. I'll show it to you. I am definitely
Pakka
doing
pakka.
it. Yes, yes, yes. No, I love it.
You're
I'm
gonna
buying
love
this and
it.
I'm doing this because sometimes यार हमारे जैसे लोगों को ना मतलब शायद बहुत heavy लगता है कि makeup करना feels like so much stress. So I think these kind of hacks are like
This
awesome.
is, I think this is not gonna look heavy. And you, whenever you're going somewhere, ना आप इसको अच्छा foundation और इसको mix करके लगाओगे ना, I'm gonna tell you, this is gonna give you the beautiful glow. I think थोड़ा जो bride भी होगी तो मैंने उसको लगेगा यार थोड़ा मेरा layer ज्यादा हो गया. I think she's looking better than me.
I
I'm
know.
telling you,
Yay! I'm doing this. I'm
this is
definitely.
amazing.
I'm excited. Okay, this is perfect. This is perfect. I'm pakka doing it. And you said soft curls and this mix hack. This is awesome. And I think we are
Yeah.
done. We are done here. Okay, now one last message. For these wonderful viewers out here. and these wonderful listeners out here who've just, been, showing so much interest in your, all the knowledge that you imparted here. Tell me this.
I
If
mean, I really, pehle to I'm really thankful for everyone who's watching it and who will watch it. Please
Yeah.
like this and please subscribe, Sonakshi.
Oh, sure. That's so
You should, okay? She's amazing and she was doing very well job. I think बहुत कम लोग होते हैं, everybody is सब लोग ना fame और name के लिए भाग रहे हैं. Everybody want their interviews, everybody want to be a part of their podcast. कि
correct.
ठीक है कि कितने followers है, then हम तभी आएंगे.
जी.
अच्छा अभी तो नहीं है, let's. So I think what you're doing, the unconventional woman, I think I love this thing.
How sweet.
I think बहुत कम लोग होते हैं जिनको ना बहुत ऐसा लगता है कि that maybe क्या है कितना ही हो जाएगा क्या ही हो जाएगा, but you're not thinking in that way. You're like कि
Yeah.
I want each and every woman should be celebrated.
Yes,
So
of
kudos to you
course.
for
That. Oh,
Sonakshi.
thank
I
you.
think you're doing a very, very well good job on that. I love this concept and I love this vibe of yours,
The Lord,
this
this means a lot.
unconventional wala. And I want to tell everyone that every person is beautiful. You have a beautiful eyes, beautiful skin, and you all look confident. आपका सब कुछ ना आपके पास है. You just need to enhance yourself within,
Yeah.
and then वो अपने आप को बाहर भी दिखेगा. You don't need to, ये makeup and everything is just kind of a touch-ups. But the
Correct.
real touch-up is inside you. When you start loving yourself, it's gonna show on your face. And then I think वो सब कुछ हो जाएगा. आपको पता लग जाएगा, अरे वाह यार, हम इतने सुंदर कब थे?
Thank
So
you
you
so
start
much. No,
looking like,
seriously, seriously. I love the concept of spirituality coming with makeup, with beauty. I
I
think
know,
there's nothing that is better than this combination. अगर आप spiritual
sure,
भी हो,
sure.
आपको खुद में belief है, and then you want to just pep up yourself and just,
Of
go for this nice
course.
glam look. I think there's nothing better than that because you're still believing in yourself. No,
Sure, sure,
thank you.
sure.
Thank you so much, Nikita, for these beautiful, kind words. I truly believe that every woman who is, choosing something other than, the regular lifestyle, which of course is beautiful too,
Of
and
course.
she's meant to be celebrated as well. But the women, the kind of women that I'm bringing here, and of course, not just women, I'm going to bring men as well. Men are coming on the show as well. But the kind of people that I bring here are
Of course.
being celebrated for their unconventional attitude, and you are one of those wonderful people that I've met. I feel so proud of.
Thank you so
No,
much. Thank you so much.
no, I feel so proud to have been, to be associated with a wonderful woman like you. And to my listeners out here, may you love boldly, expect lightly, and show up yourself every single day without worries. All right. That brings me to the end of the show. I am going to definitely have many more podcasts with you. Wonderful lady out here.
Sure.
Thank you, Nikita Singh.
Thank you so much, Sonakshi, for having me. Thank you so much.
You take care. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Good night.